I am Jay and I will be representing our group. This project is titled EASE Elderly Assistance, Support, and Empowerment. Let's go run the code. Firstly, contacts management, pretty self-explanatory. You can add a contact, you can view all contacts, you can search a contact, you can update a contact in case you need to change anything. You can delete a contact. Let's try to add it. Let's say J. And I will be adding my numbers. There. However, if the user puts a different contact, so let's add, pero you put random numbers, whatever. The user input here is pretty friendly, and in case you enter the wrong number or you enter an invalid number, it will just return it back. Let's say 260. 60. Really good. There it is. If you want to delete a contact, so put the name in and we will be deleted. Oh, yeah, there it is. Going back, we have medication reminder system. It's also pretty self-explanatory. You can add a medication, you can view all your medications. Again, you can update or edit. You can delete. You can display all the daily reminders. Say 5. No medication scheduled for today. So let's enter add medication. Let's for example, let's say you need 2 teaspoons. Oh, it is in the time is in 24-hour format, so let's say 22. So notes. So let's drink water after that. So you can view it all. Display daily reminders. There it is. Will display. We haven't integrated the time here in pero we would. It's still under development. Let's go back to main menu. Let's go next to health tracker. Sa health data, it's more on laboratory results. Say add the data. Let's say last week I had a laboratory, so today would be say 7 12 24. Oh, I have to put 07 12 24. We would make it much more user friendly, even if it you don't have the 0 in front of the date. So next, enter the time 23 or 23. Blood pressure, anything, what you got on your results, you can put it here for a much simpler way in viewing it. There it is. Imagine every record you have is here. It would be a lot, and it would be much easier to compare. Come back to the main menu, and lastly we have health tracker. Lastly we have the mini games actually. Sorry. First, let's try to exit the program. Exiting the program is done for. Let's go to mini games. The mini games are still under development. This is an example of one of the mini games. The mini games, nakakatulong siya sa mga matatanda, like this one, like this game. It trains your memory. So let's try to play it. Let's go for a card. The given number is 2 and you have to put it. It was number 2. The given number is 54. The digit is increasing per level. So you can train your brain here. You can train your memory here. So that's everything we've coded so far, and marami pa kaming ilalagay. And not only that, we would make it more aesthetically pleasing, mas maganda sa mata, much more user friendly, user input friendly. And yeah, yun lang. Thank you.